Going to be going over one of the templates today. This is the blog images generator. You can find it in templates. It's under content creation and a couple other sections. I just usually just look these up here. Blog image generator, and you can use the template, create it right there. But I've already created it, so I'm just going to show you. It's one of the simpler templates, but there's three inputs: the blog post title, a summary. You can use AI to summarize it, or you can write your own summary. I did my own summary here, and just what you want the style to be, not exactly how you want it to look, but just the style. And here, the text generator, ChatGPT 4.0, is going to write you a prompt, then feed it into an image generator, which here I'm using DALL-E 3, but I was using Stability Diffusion earlier, and I was getting some pretty good responses. I made all of these images based on these prompts that I gave it, which mine was finding peace during a busy day at work. And so I got all these images from that, but I can run it again here and show you what I get. It's going to generate a new prompt for me this time, and it's going to generate a new image. And you can feel free to edit this however you want when you use your template, but I find that this is best so far, just how it comes out, how it's been created. And you can look, and that's the image it produces. And so you can run this several times and get several different images that you can select from. It'll save up to 10 images here. So you have that space. Afterwards, it won't save it, but you can download these here or copy it and be able to use it in a blog post. So it's something super helpful, help with content creation. So go for it and use it.